You believe in third-party aim trainers? Yeah, I actually do. So my thing is a lot of people try to improve their aims. What am I talking about? So a lot of people try to improve their aim through aim trainers and stuff like that, which is a very valid way to do that. If you're ever looking to improve your aim labs works great. Kovaaks works great. I actually play a 3D version of Osu. It's called Mikosu. It has like a 3D mod on it or something. I remember Mikos. I don't actually know exactly how it's pronounced. Somebody's gonna critique me on it, I'm sure. But I really enjoyed that one. That one's not particularly probably the best one to do. I just like rhythm games, so that's why I play it. There's definitely better ways to improve your aim and stuff. And what I wanted to talk about today was like a better way to improve your aim that a lot of players probably aren't very well utilizing, right? And that would be within the game itself. If you have a buddy who we'll try to load into the game. I think the odds of me actually getting in is very low, but we'll give it a shot, okay? What you could do is you could load into a custom game, and I did this with one of our friends the other day, and you could try to pick a position and turn on auto respawn. So say we were doing it on split, and we picked a long, like we just challenge each other from long, and we just tried to kill each other. We tried to get headshots, and you just keep like strafing back and forth. You will peek the angle, and you will try to kill that player. And it was a very good way for us to just like train our aim just like a little bit, just get more comfortable in landing those headshots and stuff, and like dueling actual players with actual game sense who are doing actual or have actual reaction times. This seemed like a very effective way to do it, and this is what I was generally doing for a little bit. And it actually it helped me a little bit to get out of the rut that I've been in recently. I've been in a little bit of a rut. And I recommend this if you have a friend, especially like a friend that you like feel comfortable just like chilling with and talking to for a while. Just like load into one of these practice ranges and just like practice dueling with them. Let's see. Turn, are you on right now? Okay, what you're gonna want to do? Turn on your auto respawn. Why can't I buy? Oh, I don't have purchase on. Okay, that's why.
My ultimate is ready.
So what I was saying is this is basically I did this with Cologne the other day, one of our viewers who I was playing with recently, and he's a pretty cool dude, and he told me because I was frustrated, I was like, I don't think I'm performing to my full capabilities right now. I'm a little annoyed, and he was like well, let's load into a custom map, go into middle, and let's just practice like peeking each other. So like grab a phantom or whatever, buy your armor and turn on auto respawn and just like try to peek each other. And my aim sucks. Oh gosh, I'm terrible. See, I'm terrible right now. And you can load into this and you could be like, dude, that was atrocious. Like, why was that so bad? And then you could like just keep doing this for like a while. So I think you need to turn on auto respawn for yourself. But and then just do it again. Just do it again. Just keep going. Like
I have auto respawn on, I just don't know it.
Just turn it off and then turn it back on. There you go. Yep. And you can just do this for a while if you have a friend that you're comfortable like practicing with. I'm pretty trash at aiming, so I'm gonna get wrecked by Travis. Oh, you're just better than me, dude. Oh, you're right side now? That's just cheating. There we go. But see how like terrible my aim is right now? And this is why like practicing like this and stuff like that is gonna be important. Because if I don't do stuff like this, I'm going to go into a real game, take these real encounters, and actually just lose them, right? Just click heads. Yeah. Okay. Crouches a lot. So yeah, if we're ever tilted again, we could literally just do this. Like I'm perfectly comfortable with this. I think it's a good way to warm up. I think it's like it simulates actually fighting a real player because a lot of times when you're just shooting bots, they're not gonna play how real players would.
Yeah, it
like
seems pretty nice.
Well, it's very clear that you have like a faster reaction time than me too. So it's like it's kind of nice to actually do this where it's like, oh, well, I'm just trying to get faster now, right? And then once there's like a ton of bodies piled up, you'll notice your FPS is probably like 20 right now. What you can do is you can kind of just like press escape, go to restart game. It'll do like a little transition, and you just do the same thing again.
My ultimate is ready.
Yeah, my FPS just went up 200 from that.
You can practice ops like this. Yeah, you can also do it with ops if you wanted to try. I feel like I'm not a very good opper, but like this would be a good way to do it, I feel like. Oof. I know what side he's gonna peek from right there too. That's rough.
The frickin' Prime skin got in my way, I couldn't see.
Oh yeah, generally when I do this, I don't use the prime skin either because it's probably lower FPS even more, or like any special skins. So I'm using like my phantom with the other thing. It's not like a big deal that you're using it right now, but I would also recommend like people who are doing this, I would just warm up with one gun. That's probably the best way to do it. A lot of people like try to use Vandal and Phantom. I would just use the one and then try to get better with that. Oh wow. Die!
I can tell when I have a good spray because I get a double kill.
Yeah. Oh, that's like really nice. I got like a triple headshot one time. I was like, oh, sweet. I think this probably helps with like the distance that players will like swing too. A lot of times, I guess like you wouldn't swing the same way like right here. I feel like as you like would in a normal game, but like maybe you should honestly. Okay, that's all I wanted to do though. If you want to play our Smurfs though, we can do that if you want.
Yeah.